Hello, good evening. This is Brecht from Xscript Games, and today I'm going to talk about the client work I did and a new project I'm starting by myself, which is going to be my new multiplayer project with Photon. But first off, the work I did for my client today. So I'm working on this game. I think I'm going to show it in a bit. It's going to be a browser game. It's going to be a shooter game, a two-dimensional shooter game. And today I worked a lot on this project, fixed a lot of bugs, and basically the game now feels a lot more polished because the controls are much smoother. It reminds my client more of the actual shooter he wants it to be. There's some props over the level, but with different properties now. Some are destroyable, some can reflect bullets, some don't reflect bullets. There's things that explode. There's like a bit of everything right now, and so it's up to the people. Well, it will up to the level editors to make nice levels with it. It's starting to look. Oh, and I also implemented the door today. That was like the hardest part of today. I struggled a lot with it, but I managed to do it. The door is destroyable, and like it's like this. It's like this, and when you stand here, like it opens like this, and when you stand here, it opens like this, and then you can, it keeps moving. It has to move in the right direction, and I struggled with this for a bit because there was some math involved. I used a dot product, which I haven't used in a while anymore because Unity has so much functionality. I didn't actually think I'd ever need it, but yeah, here I am. I thought this was the best solution to my problem. But now everything works properly. Some things could still be polished, but it's starting to look like something pretty nice to play. Yeah, I had to fix some stuff with bullets that were bouncing on the players, but because Unity's physics system is NVIDIA physics, and because it's one physics system, like everything just reacts the same way by default, but I had to change a lot of that so that the player wouldn't get bounced around when he got hit by a bullet or something, because everything is using rigid bodies. So alright, yeah, there's no live bar and stuff, and yeah, but that's not really very spectacular, but still. That's basically it for the game. I will showcase it when my client allows me to, and when we have like a good level to show it off. I'll be happy to showcase it. And for my project today, for my multiplayer project, I'm gonna restart something. I'm gonna do a proper game this time, and I want to make a zombie survival multiplayer shooter. And the goal of it is to learn more about Photon, to make my networking skills better with Photon specifically, but like networking in general I want to be better at. And yeah, this is going to be good practice for dealing with several gameplay situations and making a nice game out of it. And I think once we have that, I can probably more reliably rely more on my networking, because then I'll know both Mirror and Photon and different architectures, and it's sort of like starting to get an idea of what it means to network a game, network a multiplayer game, what the possibilities are and stuff like that. But basically in Unity there's only two big possibilities. It's Mirror and Photon, specifically Photon Unity Networking, or PUN, because that's the most popular one. I'm starting to sound like an Irish dwarf or something from Guild Wars, or maybe Braveheart. That's the Scots, right? Anyway, These were the most important things I did today. Yeah, I don't have much more to talk about, so this is gonna be me logging out and Extra Games logging out. Like the video if you like the video, and if you want to help me out, if you want to really help me out, subscribe. It will help a lot for me. I want to really build an audience so I can have a place to share my games and stuff, and share talking about games and development. So yeah, but this is me logging out, and have a good night. Bye.